As Omicron sweeps across the country tonight, the CDC is updating its mask guidance, saying people can wear higher quality N95 or KN95 masks without worrying about supply shortages, and that those well-fitting masks offer better protection than loose-fitting cloth ones.
The most important thing about mask wearing is wear a mask you're going to be comfortable keeping on for a long period of time that fits well.
Meanwhile, staffing shortages are getting worse. Two huge pharmacy chains, Walgreens and CVS, say they've had to temporarily close a small number of stores. And now at least 80% of staffed hospital beds are full in 21 states. More states are also reporting record pediatric COVID hospitalizations. At UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh, they've never been busier.
Just days ago, this hospital opened its second acute care COVID unit. Right now, the entire hospital has about 35 COVID patients. At this time last year, it had just 5.
It is exponentially increased in terms of our numbers.
Notably, nurses here like Jackie Kwasniewski are seeing fewer COVID ICU patients during the Omicron wave.
It's spreading faster. It's getting kids sick enough to come to the hospital, but it's not getting them sick enough to be in the ICU. And I think it goes to show that the vaccine for those who have gotten it really does work.
But that doesn't mean the stakes are any lower.
Have you been surprised by just how transmissible this Omicron variant has been?
I am shocked at how this went through our family.
We met Carrie White in the ICU as she watched over her 6-year-old son Carter, who'd been diagnosed with COVID days before. He also has a rare central nervous system disorder, hydrancephaly.
It's terrifying. I mean, it's since the beginning of COVID, we've always been afraid of what happens if Carter catches this, and our family has done everything we can. My husband and I are both fully vaccinated. Carter, luckily, was just vaccinated back in December. I hate to think of what could have happened if he wasn't vaccinated and how much sicker he could have been.
Tonight, some good news. Carter has just left the hospital and returned home to a grateful family.
That is some great news. And Gabe, as I mentioned in the introduction, the White House has just announced new details about those free at-home COVID test kits. What's the plan?
Yeah, Lester, each residential address will be able to get up to 4 tests, and Americans will be able to start ordering them starting next Wednesday from a new government website, covidtest.gov. They'll then be sent out within 7 to 12 days.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.